Good morning from Amsterdam. It's a cold and stormy day today, so it's time to leave the country again. And I'm very excited for this one because we're going on a ski trip. It's been a couple of years since I've been on my last ski holiday. We're going to Austria. I'm saying we because, of course, I'm not going alone. Yo!
Naar Oostenrijk.
Milano! Hop.
Zo.
Done. Let's go!
Let's go.
As I said, I'm not traveling alone, so there is Milan!
Yes, there we are again.
Maybe you saw the Saudi Arabia video. That was also with Milan. Gaat hij springen? And now we're going to the snow.
I haven't seen, well actually of course I've seen snow last year, but like the real thing I haven't seen for like 5 years, so.
5 years, yeah. For me it's also like 2 years, I think. So too long.
There we are.
Bundesrepublik Deutschland!
Deutschland, there we are.
We are on our way to Sankt Anton, which is loved by experienced skiers all over the world. Famous as a luxury town and one of the best places to go for off-piste skiing.
There we are! So, we're now in Ulm. It's close to the destination. Tomorrow we have, I think, another 2-hour drive to Sankt Anton. We booked this hotel because we wanted to be there on Monday. It's easier to do it like this, so we have a hotel, a small hotel now. So tomorrow we can be there early and check in to our real hotel over there.
See you tomorrow.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
The day started with still a big storm, rain, coldness. But now the sky is cleared up and we have only 1 more hour to drive to the destination.
This trip was made possible by Double Dutch Mountain Events, Arden Lodge and Thijs. Thijs is one of my best friends and he arranges everything. He recommended us to go to Sankt Anton and to stay at the Arden Lodge Hotel. And this is Thijs.
We have arrived! Thijs!
Lekkere timing, jongen.
The weather is still not perfect, but we're still going up the mountain. That's the first thing we want to do, so let's go up! Welcome to our first experience on the mountain! We have a snowstorm! It's cold! But we wanted to go up! Oh my god! Let's go! But we will survive, guys! We can do this! It was a big snowstorm. Milan almost died.
Yeah.
What is the best thing to do after a long day of skiing in a snowstorm?
Thijs was right about the Arden Lodge. It has a full spa,
Hallo vriend.
Hallo.
Hallo vriend.
Vandaag.
a bar and the chill and game room where we spent the evening.
Yeah, I won! Good morning! A new day. Yesterday we were a bit tired. There was a big snowstorm and after that we were tired. So today we had a good night's sleep. Did we have a good night's sleep?
Yes, we had a good night's sleep. I'm the lightman today. Yeah, we slept amazing.
Thijs is the professional skier of the group. No joke, he's really good. So he's gonna teach us some new tricks. What are you gonna teach us today?
How to ski in powder snow, because there's a lot of it. 60 centimeters of fresh snow will be amazing. Especially for Milan.
Milan is not a professional skier.
No, I want to try my best.
Milan will go pizza punt.
Pizza. Maybe.
Correct English is snowplow though.
Snowplow
Yeah.
for the pizza.
Yes.
But everybody calls it pizza.
Yeah, of course, pizza's nice.
We're ready, and the good thing about this lodge is that you walk out of the lodge, up the stairs, and you're in the snow. So this is what I mean, it's ideal. Skis in the snow, and we're ready to go. Yola! We got a challenge. Who's faster? Thijs backwards, or Milan just the normal way forward skiing? What do we think?
Yeah? Are you ready, Milan?
I am.
Yes, you ready? The rules are easy. Just go down.
As fast as possible.
Ties have to be backwards all the time. You can do whatever you want. If you want to go backwards, it's also possible.
You probably will.
Milan, start! Yeah! That's it! Oh, it's stuck in that! Come on! Milan is winning! Come on!
I can't see anything.
Milan, you're winning! Come on, go! Milan is there! But Milan is coming! There's Milan! There's that! And stop! Thijs, you won! That was fun. We need more of those challenges. If you know any more challenges, put them down in the comments. I have to say, I'm a bit, well, not scared, but it's exciting. Let's say that. We go into the woods. There's a lot of snow and a lot of trees to hit.
But a lot of fun as well.
What we are doing now is off-piste skiing. Technically it's not allowed, and if you do it, be absolutely sure to bring a very experienced guide.
Hello tree, hello wave.
Yeah, let's go!
This is how we do it. We did it! White Christmas, la-dee-dee-da-da-da-da. Hey, hermano.
Let's eat cheese fondue.
We just finished the après ski, so we went skiing, and after the skiing you have après ski, it means after ski.
And that went a little like this.
And after ski there's cheese fondue.
We are now in the restaurant, and it's the restaurant of the hotel, and actually the restaurant of the hotel is pretty nice. Look at this. They say the food is pretty good too, so tonight we'll check it out. Yep. This fondue really is delicious.
Bellissimo.
I play now the melody from Sound of Music, the Edelweiss.
That's the traditional Tyrolean music with a saw, and I don't know how he does it. It's pretty fun.
This guy brings us to the end of the video, but the holiday is not over. In the next video we go to Kitzbühel. Thank you for watching. Ciao.